Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're putting Monday.com and Go High Level together head to head. So whether you're managing a team or running an agency, these two platforms offer powerful tools but very different needs. So let's break down which one is right for you. So Monday.com is a highly customizable work operating system built for project management, task tracking, and collaboration. It is used by teams of all sizes, from startups to enterprises, to stay organized and aligned. Now, Go High Level, on the other hand, is all specifically made for digital marketing. It's an automation platform and all-in-one CRM. And also, it is for digital marketing agencies, combining funnels, email marketing, SMS pipelines, and booking systems, and all under one roof. So, let's move on to the user interface and experience. So, Monday.com offers a sleek drag and drop interface with color coded boards, timelines, widgets. It's intuitive even for beginners and adapts to a wide range of workflows, from content calendars to software sprints. And also Go High Level. So let's move on to Go High Level. Now Go High Level is more of a authoritarian. So it's packed with features, but the UI can feel overwhelming at first. So still, one setup, it gives agencies a bird's eye view of their entire client workflow. So in short, for me, Monday.com wins on ease of use and polish, while Go High Level shines when it comes to functionality for agencies. Now, let's move on to features. So we're gonna compare them both again. So Monday key features, tasks and project tracking with automation, multi-view and Kanban calendar, and like also timeline and Gantt, and time tracking, file sharing, and team collaboration, integration with Slack and Google Workspace, Zoom, and more. Templates for marketing and dev, and HR and sales. Now let's move on to high level key features. So this is an all-in-one CRM for clients. Also lead pipelines. Also, it's a drag and drop funnel builder and website creator. Email and SMS marketing automation, booking calendar and surveys and form builders. Also, it has white labeling for agencies, AI chatbots, and reputation management tools. So if you're looking for a robust CRM plus marketing engine, Go High Level is unmatched. But if you want, project management and teamwork, Monday is the go-to. Now, let's go with the pricing side by side. So Monday.com is free forever. Plan, it's up to users. Also, paid plans start at $8 a month. Also, features scale with plan automation, integration, and advanced views, and enterprise options for large teams. Now, while at Go High Level pricing, there's no free account here, or like free trial. There's a free trial for 14 days, but it starts at $97 a month, which is really big for a single account. 297 a month for full agency use, and 497 per month for white label, SAS mode. Unlimited sub counts with client billing option. So bottom line here, Monday scales affordably by user, while Goal High Level is a flat moderate rate designed to be resold as a service by agencies. Now, who is it for? Use Monday.com if you're a team managing internal, projects and tasks, looking for easy collaboration with timelines and checklists, and also from industries like marketing, HR, product, or design. And use Go High Level if you're running a digital agency or marketing consultancy. Also, managing lead generation, follow-ups, and automations, or you're looking to offer CRM and funnel as a service to your client. Now, let's list some alternative if this two did not click up for you. So we have ClickUp. That was not gonna lie. So we have ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one, project manager similar to Monday with more depth, and you also have Trello. Trello is pretty good. So Trello is using visual Kanban boards, great for solo users and small teams. You also have KeyApp, formerly known as Infusionsoft. That's a weird name. So you have KeyApp here. This is a CRM plus marketing automation similar to Go High Level. So they're very similar. And you also have HubSpot. So this is a bit popular, similar with the Trello. I think you have heard of HubSpot. So HubSpot is a scalable CRM with powerful sales and marketing tools. So here's the deal. Monday.com, pretty good. It's the best pick for project management and team collaboration and flexibility across industries. While Go High Level is a powerhouse for agencies that want everything. So CRM, marketing funnels, all in one tool. So Let me know in the comments below. Are you more Team Monday or Team High Level? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more reviews. And like this, I'll see you in the next video explaining something. Bye bye.